Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. I'm your host Jobayat Tanmoy talking. Uh, okay, now I will show you within a very short time. I will not take a lot of time. I will show you within 3 minutes how you can use Canva properly for making any things like YouTube thumbnail, YouTube logo, anything you want for logo, card, anything, any graphics design work. Okay, let me go to the canva.com. It's very easy. I'm showing you the option. I'm using the premium version of this because I have the tricks how to get the Canva for premium. I will share this in another video next. Okay, so see, this is my project. All I did here, still doing. So I think I am planning to make YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so my title will be best temporary mail service in 2022. Need little bit space for typing these huge things. Okay, this is looking good. Best temporary. Okay, I can do that in the another tab. Best temporary mail. This is looking good. Wow, nice. You can do anything, you can change anything if you want, like if you want to add any elements, here is the section of elements, you can add from here. Like I want to add this in here. Also you can resize this. Oh no, let me show you the exact way. If you delete anything, you can re-enter that again. I like this. This is cool. Okay, nice. And you can download this if you want. You can download from here. Has the option to share and then download. I am downloading it PNG form. You can make any type of video, anything. You can use also video, or you can use anything, photos, your text, anything you want to edit, you can do here very easily. Okay, thank you.